how to fix overexposed photos on iPhone. If you would like to fix if your photos are too overexposed on your iPhone, there are a couple of ways that we can actually do so. So what we want to do is, depending upon the generation of iPhone you're using, iPhone has a feature called HDR. When HDR is enabled, your photos are generally going to be too bright, too saturated, or too exposed, too light, right? And it might hurt the eyes sometimes, and sometimes it's not actually relatable to the real colors. So to turn this feature off, you simply open up settings on your iPhone and simply search for the camera app. Now on iOS 18 or above, if you're using them, you have to scroll down to the app section to find the camera app, but under iOS 17 and below, you can go to this camera section from here. From camera, you can find the setting called HDR or high dynamic range. You have to turn off Auto HDR or HDR in this case. Depending upon whichever iPhone models you're using, just turn off HDR and that will help you go ahead and then turn off overexposure on your photos. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.